Alright. Second attempt.
Go, 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 go.
Oh God, dude.
Here, you got it? You got it?
Yeah. Woo. Oh man, it's working great.
Gasoline sure does help.
Yeah.
Are you sure these were fireworks?
I got these on April Fool's Day, you know? Maybe they were shitting.
A special.
Alright, let's back it in.
Back it in, it's still on fire, bro.
That's some complete shit, dude.
We can't leave now. People are probably pissed on the video right now. God damn it, I've been sitting through this and I still haven't seen anything. You will.
Is it live?
No.
Oh.
Can be live. Right, guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. It's about to go off. I was telling them to skip to like minute 2 or something.
Show this black kid. Oh, that was a good shot.
I wonder if, like, if you get fireworks wet, they don't go off. Smash it, man.
Oh. He's like, oh.